The term social media marketing refers to the use of social media and social network to market a company product and service. Social media marketing provides companies with a way to engage with existing customers and reach new ones while allowing them to promote their desired culture, mission, or turn. Social media marketing has proposed multi-data analysis tool that allows marketers to track the success of their efforts. Social media marketing use social media and social network to market a company's product and service. It allows companies to engage with existing customers and reach new ones as they promote their culture, mission, or turn. Sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are commonly used to execute social media marketing. Social media has changed the way we function as a society, including the way we connect with one another as platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram took off. Business also took notice. They began to use these sites to further their interest through social media marketing. Because these sites are able to change customer behavior. Social media websites allow marketers to employ a broad range of tactics and strategies to promote content and have people engage with it. Many social networks allow users to provide detailed geographical, demographical, and personal information, which enable marketers to tailor their message to what is most likely to resonate with users. This step involves determining all the social media channel to be used and type of content that will be shared. Planning and publishing business should draft plans of what their content will look like, photos, how much script, and decide when it will be put one on the platform. Listening and engagement. Monitoring with user customers if others are saying about the post, brands, and any other business assets. This may require adoption of a social media engagement tool. Analysis and reporting. Part of being on social media is knowing how far posts are going. So reports of engagement and reach are very important. Advertising, purchasing ads on social media is a great way to promote and further develop a brand because audience can be better segment that more traditional marketing channels. Companies can ensure they focus their resources of the audience that they want to target using social media marketing. Some of the metrics used to ensure the success of social media marketing, which is also known as digital marketing and email marketing, include a major strategy used in social media marketing is to develop message and content that individual user will share with their family, friends, and co-worker. The strategy relies on word of mouth and provides social benefits. First, it increases the message reach the network and use that a social media manager may not have been able to access otherwise. Second, shared content carries and implement endorsement when sent by someone who the recipient known and trusts. Social media strategy involves the certain of content that sticky. That means that the gets a user attention and increase the possibility that they will content or describe action such as a buying product or sharing the content with other in their own network. Marketers create viral content that's designed to spread quickly between users. Social media marketing should also encourage customers to create and share their own content, such as product review or comments. This is referred to in marketing industry as earned media. Social media marketing campaigns have the advantage of appealing to a broad audience to once. For example, a campaign may appeal to current and purposive customers, employees, bloggers, the media, the general public, and other stakeholders such as third-party review or trade groups. But these campaigns also create the companies may not have had to deal with otherwise. For example, a viral video claiming that a company protects case customers to become will must be addressed by the company, regardless of whether the claim is true or false. Even if a company can see the message straight, customers may be less likely to purchase from the company in the future. For many years, search engine optimization (SEO) was the standard of digital marketing efforts, while social media optimization and search engine optimization have similar goals to generate web traffic and increase awareness of a company website. Search engine optimization in the process of increasing the quality and quantity of website traffic by increasing the visibility of a website or web page to use of web search engines, especially Google. Most recently, social media marketing has come to the fore at time covering with SEO and in some instances replacing it is the most effective way to strengthen a board, contact lead generation, increase a company visibility and the online space, and connect to an audience. Various social media platforms can be used for digital marketing include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Pinterest, and TikTok. Social media optimization often direct to public from the social media platform the company website where the more information can be provided. For example, a campaign raise awareness about a new automobile on social media may direct the visitor to a company webpage to provide information about where local dealerships are located and how are scheduled to test or drive. Companies using multiple social media platforms may use internet-based tools designed to improve organization and delivery of their content. The tool allows to employ tasked with creating social media content to schedule content access multiple platforms at the same time as well as respond to any engagement to the post including comments or message from the audience. Some popular social media management tools are Promote, Public, Hostitude, Buffer, and Social Support. Social media platform allows users to share content to the internet almost because of this companies try to create content that user will pass along to their friend and connections.